Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have another battle of the boxes for you guys. The same day. Previously in my other video, I did a battle of my Macy's beauty box and my Birchbox, since they both were $15 to see which $15 box was better. This time around, I'm going to be doing my Glossybox and my Glossybox, I was going to say Birchbox, and my Lookfantastic box to see which one is better. These are UK makeup subscription bands, but you can get them shipped to you to the United States. I live in the United States and I get them shipped to me, so it shouldn't be a problem if you're not from the UK. So alrighty, I'm going to get in. If you guys want to know what I got in my boxes, just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, before I show you guys what I got in these two lovely boxes, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel who stumbled across my page. My name is Aisha. I love all things beauty related. I love makeup, a little bit of skincare, not too shabby about skincare, but I will try new stuff sometimes. Hair products, all that fun girly girl stuff. So I do lots of makeup subscription boxes because I like to try a lot of new products, and it could get kind of costly to buy all that stuff full price. So you get more bang for your buck when you do makeup subscription boxes. So the channel's kind of cool if you're interested in trying a new box and was wondering which one should you get, then definitely watch my videos because I do a lot of them on my channel. Also, I do lots of mystery boxes and makeup hauls, which I have a couple of makeup hauls I'm gonna do next for you guys. Huge Ulta haul, another $1,000 Ulta haul. I was gonna film it when I was up to like $500, but I bought some more stuff and now I'm up to $1,000 again. Your girl has a shopping problem, but nevertheless, I'm excited to show that to you guys next video. So if you guys want to know what I got in my Ulta haul, stay tuned for that. Which one should I do first? Well, I love how this box looks. It's giving me like Easter vibes a little bit with the pastels. Oops. Did you guys peek that I almost knocked myself out with that box? Yeah. But let's see what's in here. Let's, without further ado, right? So, but they always have the best boxes. I love how they do their boxes. Same thing with Glossybox, but lately they've been a little lazy. They're just doing a basic standard box. So I love the presentation of their book this time around. This tells you what's in your box. What's in the box. That's what it looks like when you take the box lid off. And this is everyone's sneak peek. Sneak peek. Alrighty, so let's see here. I have so much of these from BoxyCharm, the facial radiant pad, so I'm definitely gonna give this away because I have like 2 already that's not even open. So yeah, I'm gonna get that away, but I did like them. What else did I got? What else did I get? I said, what else did I got? I got a AM to PM. This is a liquid liner or a pencil. It says eyeliner in black. So by the brand Lottie. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's by brand Lottie. So we could all use a black liquid liner, eyeliner. I have a multitasking balm by what does it say? Blossom Bloom. So that's exciting. What does it do? What does it say? Well, it says multitasking. So I guess it does everything, right? I got a brush. I love brushes like these. Double-ended brow brush. I love brushes like these. I'm always losing my brow brushes for the morning. I can never find one. So you can never have too much of these brushes. This is by the brand Brushworks. I'm loving like the pink chromes on the sides. Loves this, definitely love this brush, and I definitely will use it. The next thing I got is by Polar. This is an ice Source Moisturizing Cream with Iceberg Water. So I got that. The next thing I got is a Ahava. I love Ahava mud soap. Ahava mud soap. I have a lot of their hand creams, but I never tried any of their soaps. So it smells nice. So I'm excited to try that. That was exciting. Very exciting. So I definitely will use this. The next thing I got is a Christopher Robin Regenerating Mask with Rare Prickly Pear Seed. So this is for the hair. And Christopher Robin hair masks are supposed to be really expensive, so I'm excited to try that out. There's nothing left in the box. So that was box number 1. Alright, so now let's do box number 2. I'll just show you quickly what I got really quick. So I got the balm, I got the hair mask, I got the eyeliner, I got the Ahava mud soap, I got the facial radiant pads, I got the Polar moisturizing cream, and I got a brush. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 items. The Lookfantastic box is $16 a month. The more you do your subscription for, like the longer you do it for, the cheaper it is. I did mine for 6 months, so that's how much it was for 6 months, but I think it's cheaper when you do the whole year. But I think it's only like by $1, so I think it's like $15 for the whole year, $16 for 6 months, and $17 for like month to month, if I want to say, if I'm correct. But all I know is I paid $16 for mine, which is a 6-month one. And then I have my Glossybox. This is $21 a month, and I want to say I subscribe to this for the whole year. I do like the glossy boxes, even the basic standard ones. They're kind of cool. This is the card of what comes on top. They always have a beautiful little bow for you, and a little book which tells you what's inside. So let's see what I got. Alrighty, let's see here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I get 5 things in this box, and this box is more money. The other box was only 16, and I got a little bit more. So let's see if I'm getting my bang for my buck. So I always want to try one of these, the Clean It Zero Bombs. Oops. So now I finally have one to try. Is this open? It smells like a bomb. This one says Pore Clarifying, so that's that. Let's see if it has prices. They do have prices inside the pamphlet. It tells you everything about each thing and the prices. It says that the full size of that is $22. I also got a First Aid Beauty. It says intense dry patch for sensitive skin, like a moisturizing repair cream. This one has a grapefruit scent to it, which is kind of cool. I didn't know they had these scented. I always got, it smells like grapefruit, but not a good scent to grapefruit. I didn't know they made scents to these, but nevertheless, I got a grapefruit. Well, I do like these, but the scent for the grapefruit is not that great, but just saying. I got a eucalyptus and tea tree cleansing hand spray. Oh, like a hand sanitizer. Let me spray some and see. I don't like how it smells. It smells like kind of like toothpaste a little bit. I'm not here for it. But I mean, I'll use it because it's a hand sanitizer. It smells a little weird. The eucalyptus is invigorating though. You can smell that mintiness. That's what I'm smelling. But it smells, I don't know. But nevertheless, I will use it. So that's that. I have a makeup item, which is surprising. Who would have thunk a makeup item in a makeup subscription box? This is by the brand Carat. It's a lip gloss. So let's see what the gloss looks like. It's like a nude color. Like a nudish color. I wouldn't be able to wear this by itself. It would give me what we say ash galore. But I can put it on top of something. Like I'll do a chestnut line and put that in the middle. And that'll be nice. this is what the packaging looks like. It's very basic. She's giving you basic, you know, you feel in the words. But she's still cute though. She basic, but she cute. The next thing I got is from Caudalie. It's a serum, a radiant serum. My skin is oily to combination, so I probably won't use this. Then I got a 24 karat Hydra gel eye patch. So I love using eye patches, so I definitely would use those. So let me look at it and see what I would give this. It wasn't anything spectacular that I would give it more than like a 6 or a 7. I would say 6. I would say a 6. So I would say out of the 2 boxes, the Lookfantastic one this month. There was nothing really here that I was like enjoying at all, but the other box, at least there was stuff that, you know, like I would use this brush. I'm excited to use that. I would use a liner. I always want to try the Ahava soap. So I think I like, there's nothing here that I was thrilled about. I always want to try this, so that I'm excited about, but it's not enough to give the box like anything high. So what did you guys think? Which box do you think was better out of the 2 UK makeup subscription boxes? Like I said, that was just my opinion, but I like the Lookfantastic box better. That's really about it. I did a little bit of shopping, so I'm gonna do, maybe I'll do like my Ulta haul and get it out the way for you guys. And then I'll show you guys all my other hauls afterwards. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Like, comment, subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. Show your girl some love and give some thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And remember, don't forget, if you subscribe to my channel, make sure your notification bell is clicked. It should have like some brackets around the bell, so you can know, it'll alert you every time I upload a new video, because I don't have like a system for when I'm gonna film. Like I upload every single week, obviously, but I don't have like a set day, a set time when I'm gonna do it. Eventually, I want to figure out a schedule so you guys can always know like when I'm gonna post, but I haven't figured that out yet. But stay tuned for that. But nevertheless, until then, if you guys hit the notification bell, you'll always know when I upload my videos. So make sure you guys have all your notifications on for my videos. And that's honestly, truly about it. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I really love my subscribers. You guys are great. So thank you again for everyone who's been like showing me love and showing me support. My consistent people who are always messaging me, reaching out, you know, motivating me, telling me I'm doing a good job. I really appreciate you guys. So thanks again for everything. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.